Howdy, this is Michael Good from reapertrades.com with your daily trade recap on the 13th of May. There's just a few trades today. DivX shorted it early in the morning, covered, reshorted, recovered, and then it dropped. Just scalping it basically. Nothing really exciting. SFMI, I missed the short out of the open when it opened red. A nice few cents there. That's what, 7% or so, 8%. You could have covered at the bottom, quick profit. I reshorted it right before it went green, covered at 40, and yeah. And then I reshorted it late in the day. Horrible price, averaged up to 0.415. This is an absolute crap stock. 70 million market cap. In terms of real assets, almost nothing. And I mean, yeah, it's got $1.5 million worth of assets, but those are all intangible things, a mining claim, and then some mining equipment, I think. And of course, negative book value, never had any revenues. And it's been promoted too, up from, what is it, like 8 cents? I'd go a lot bigger in this, but I don't like these things that, you know, are gradually promoted up. But still, in a month up from 8 cents to 40 cents. And there's plenty of shares to short at IB, 600,000 shares. The borrow cost is 0. So keep this here. Next stock, Iflig. I remember playing that a couple months ago. Didn't play it well back then, didn't play it well now, but made $100 odd today, 150 bucks I think. So last time had one huge up day, then a second up day, went way big up to 10 something, closed lower but then gapped up and crapped. This time, second big up day, closed not too far off the high, so I think we'll get the gap and crap. A lot bigger volume this time than last time, and the reason is because we have a whole new crowd of shareholders, and everybody, also all the momentum traders, all the day traders, remember this from last time, so everyone's eager to play it this time. So, while it was up a whole bunch, it would have been easy to make money going long. I missed it at the open, I was busy with other things. That would have been an easy long right out of the open on the gap up. A modest gap up too, 50 cents, or just under 50 cents. So anyway, Iflig, I traded that in my Sogo Elite account. But yeah, shorted it somewhere around here, covered somewhere around here, and then it showed strength here. Would have been a good buy on the break of the earlier high. Where's that? Right around here. And then right here is where it really spiked up. So I also shorted it up here, covered here for Bupkis. So let's look at my actual trades there. So nothing too great. 280 not including commissions today. Let's go and close that. And Hop, of course. Hop was crazy. I mentioned it in chat at $1.60 that they had news. And I'm like, wow, that's a crazy run up. 60% on news that they came out with an iPhone app. It's a pretty low floater though. Tiny market cap of $10 million or so, at least when I first looked at it. And it just kept going. I shorted tinily at 250, doubled up in the after hours at 297, so my average is like 275, but only... Sorry about that, my mic came off. So my average is like 275 short, but only 1,000 shares. Hopefully it gaps up something tomorrow, or it doesn't gap down too much, and then I'll embiggen my size a bit. And that's it. See you next time, reapertrades.com.